everyone, and welcome to week 3 of quantitative reasoning. This week we're going to finish up Unit 1 with 3A, B, and C. Y'all have 2 videos to watch for homework. Then we'll practice and review for your Unit 1 exam. So we will be also completing your Unit 1 notebook check and homework portfolio. You're welcome to get a jump start on those, or we will talk about those on Thursday. And please don't forget to do your mini projects. And let's take a quick look at our Unit 1 assessment. So this is going to be due on the 15th. I just want to give you guys some background information on it. So you guys are allowed to use your notes, but I do recommend that you make yourself a little cheat sheet so you're not flipping through all your notes while you're trying to take the assessment. You will need to sign on for class in order to take it. And then I am going to strongly encourage that you guys upload any work that you have. So why I do this is if you get something incorrect, I can look through and try to give you guys some partial credit instead of just giving you a 0. And then we'll upload that work right in here, but I will again help you guys with that in class. So in the meantime, please do not forget, I have some student hours. You guys are more than welcome to pop on here via Zoom, or Tuesdays and Thursdays I am in my office, which is on the Dover campus in the Terry building. If I'm not available, we also have this Math Center down here. If you click here, this is going to take you to a Zoom session, and they'll be able to assign you to a tutor. And we do also have on-campus tutoring for those of you that want an in-person experience. Don't forget to take advantage of some of these free workshops here, so you'll just hop on to these Zooms if you're interested in any of these topics. And in the meantime, please reach out with any questions or concerns, and I will see you guys all on Tuesday.